Opaika, I just got to beg you. He say Opaika want to prepare them. Which kind pepper there? Keta we go sama we prepare them we go wa. O ma keti here. Opaika no good. You no good. If you see the kind normally now Opaika, if you get the problem where you get with different people for this social media, you know concern the person directly. Mostly another person matter, another person matter, another person matter, another person matter. Now they break up. You don't pass that stage. Yeah, you want to love. You want to always saga. If I just come look and say, this person never offend me. I don't want me to say my own commenter. You understand? At that moment, I go pause. You understand? You know me say that love I get for my friend or my sister. Say I change her. I no change her. But it's just that I don't just want to involve on that saga. Okay? That is my own policy at that time. After the saga come out, any show where you want to, I go just go. That's why they do my thing. Because you don't fear where or my can't win. And one more lily lame be. No see a life video now. A cube command on my control one. Everybody booya la lame be. All my time on my no my yawo say. You cannot choose my friend for me. Now me know the person where I want for the work. Whether I love her or not love her, not be you want any. You know, come say you with the person where you with her. You don't want to affect the play. You not involve me put. But because say you are not call the play again, you call the talk say me with the follow and play say if they use juju for me or that person they contact me. Who are you to control me? What say baby the only now button and not like now that is the most of the thing where all of them take badge on me. You know, I don't get personal issue with you now. You understand? I not be your friend, not me say you still be my enemy. Just there you day at them a day. Not me say we with the quarrel. But I not the let person be that just the problem. Ben Opaika je na only Opaika second name na disgrace. My sister Osage say, this thing Katie humiliated, Opaika get time away. This thing way just apple so. He say exactly, ma'am. Our friendship continue. On no send a guess all day. Egwe. Yazeta. Ina hegwe yes. Ama hegwe way. Or say hi ma. Or say fama. Then it will keep problem it all. I'll just take away. Ye ko stay calm. Ye ko rekedi jo. Or see a wabeg and yalla la video na. Waya ata. Yawe money kaga egwe ba. Or at least want to congratulate him. Wabeg celebrate him na 5 years back banek balakan. 5 years. Or one banak balakan. Sound 5 years. Sound 5 years. Oh, banak balaka. That's all right. I can't wait me eat here. I go call out and say, see. You may know what I did. Why so the man tell me do my wagwa the kineso and the women I do tell her. You understand? I said about wagwa met it and even water because one in no how my money, who was so one or what be, why no respect. Why till of your money come any day? Or we cannot take on the no so why or turn up with put and I don't also about we learn each other. Once in my way, you might be needed or Roviemene, would you ever be left to Roviemene Biago Yao, a problem here, a problem here, but do yourself a favor, who have me in any place in day your well. Yes, you were me. Your hockey son of any place, just there you make a day my day. There you make a day my day. You know me say we did that party for 1 hour or 2 hours, say we don't play, say that party no go on. It go on. You see at the day when we go a pajebo party, many people will just see for them. Throughout, now maybe with Felicia, nice sit down throughout. Now maybe Felicia sit down throughout. Dominion Tosho, he did that party that day. All of us dance together. Mommy unshakable one. My original nurse way there for Deutschland. Mama na 30 euro na mommy pay for me that day. It might hear but no hold it every live video nana. It might 7 year 1 year every live video nana. Or say you go no the many. Uni ya wa ya yoy. Iwa di yo na yo ye pe no he. O ma be me video de we ya robi ho na na hena hero. It might robi e de. I've never insulted her. Good morning my darling Monica, how you doing my love? It might robi e de. At least first time o ya je me na hena o ho na o shekebo mama na no regime na my original nurse Ijemeni, Oga Amasopana, Ebi Pobano, at least 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Ona ye 50 euro ya with me pogime. Ona ye 50 euro ma be ye boy. O shekobo mama metabu gwena. O shekebo mama. Original nosibe no rejemi e ikana. Mommy o shekebo gwakana. You understand? Not be that day where give me that 30 euro be the first day where she they give me something. No. You understand? Imero yo kwoni there. On your say, in one way another, you won't wish up on many, you only magui. Ubege, on a sweet at one by one love heaven, I love her, and I respect and I love her. She's my sister. She's my daughter, she's my everything. Every soon that we read you, if we really my soon, or when fit your yakume by the true, Imagua, or when fit your yakume by the matter one sign, and send about the other block every Facebook. Ima only beg a video of you because Imao. Ni don't want say you might go to say so because you want to find any big no pike or no pa. That's a day so one when I was a benny suni you am with suni. Eti my beg video no tamatama me video no. Especially when no car we say no money. 2020 can anamio namio. That is respecting the unity today. Imagwalo neve laja munume. Ikesa kwe manami pe. You won't back and have an apology where is sorry you in our video now you go my problem it all. Any time ye. You baby webo. And you give me more young way, yes. Yeah, will laugh video for one day to tear bonnet. War. I know they do that. Madali at the good money, my love. You understand? You give me more imagine it because one woman wata woman. I will never on my live video and insult this person. If they did like that. They just as some of una. I don't know where they worry on if I don't on live video. Now ya me go man to go up by konopa. Ere ya to make a true friend. Ere ya make a true friend. True friend up by konopa. I don't go work my daily. I see they sick leave. I go take injection. The injection can't they pay me. Not be the place where I for take the injection can't they pay me. The injection to boy. When the doctor the maybe can not marry maybe you want to buy you work book. E kere na operation no na ari oloderi vani o iwa balodeni you know what yela we biscuit but keno olodeni wa lala na iba to akia no although you can't say make I rest make I not just stress that place me I not stress I need the medicine for work when you when man and I up and down working in here sometimes you defeat pay for that so that make you know they hurt you so they can't give you injection for that that place where for do operation that time so now make me there as I be no wife who take the sick leave self you matter only stay you one come me like one and stay ye I made a busy day to me when I'm a senior. The three hours me will be very and you already work for the like the other one. I don't like my job. And I was when you work here. One money in your personal in your mind now. One money put the no gossip, but never in your kitchen. Oh, he never know what I am. One when you get to the man, follow one and you want wouldn't my valor. A kitty very respecting my yating you remember no get out of your cruise. A all one. You understand this like that way I make example. Because a kitty on my mama without in you. If you don't know, we break it. The mind na we break it. Yari Brussels, Minister of Justice, we Brussels. My memory of Panama, we break it. You get. So now it be my people. I bet British of Baika na wo. We learn even a yari respect and self dignity is very important. I coordinated boy as it did no him. At your age, you respect in it. One was saying we be kaya. You do a book by your Emma. Very very bad. Here at it's very bad. Ubege even we unania. We are to be many aware. Ebi na ande ni be video no wo bi ohana gbawo emi o me ro o wa ri ye won wa de dado gbe ni presenter no wa gbawo saga no wa mi an lenia e o wa ri this okay madali okay you take care you yeah obege emi ne video gbugba ni an wa ri no wa where any presenter especially no me no ro wa de kun ya o ja wa de you ha lenia o boy o wa le oni emi no kan ari no wa mi o be ro ri no wa. You don't get another thing we want to give person. When I just use and tell us, say, see how, okay, can so you can't get yourself to the essence, small picking, they can't use it, they review. Now, so you can't do, okay, can change that way. If you don't change that, now, so all of them will come, they do you. Now, me, they tell you. Now, so all of them, they do you. It's not good. If you don't change your way of bike, it's not good. It's not good. You don't feel comfortable because you want, you say you got been no one else. Just see what came out from your mouth, as old as you are. You say, you want comfort for person. Then we yeke de dese. Upo wete no ameke no we fan agbena wasiba no wadolo. U wadolo. My my darling, almost say that is the best way. Cause yeah, where I'm wow, just they do your own, they go. Wow, work here, can't work, come. I'm not supposed to say never the only way. Social media, that dog, not give me busy. Una work and yeah, tell them woman, I do me no time, or say, you what you ever very why. I time no ya say, or when I go away, or do fear buy. So yeah, when man la kunu na even on ya, the best way we go working and say for peace to reign. Can't work anybody. You understand? I see never at time I may be better now. Remember, move to me here to be here. They don't know anything about me. They don't even know anything because they see a cake be especially labo me no what never feature no way. Cause we are seeing a cake be they never feature no road the area to a jealous way. And where you are shining, or was seeing a bill, where you are shining, they will be jealous of you. You understand? Yeah, we that they know why we will not be other baby, no blocking of you who in way at Adoba Wabebo. Yeah, we are far habits our way. Adoba Wabebo is not the main issue. We're continued the right way. I mean, I am never one. No. I will tell you no cake, and no road down. We tell you no cake, was another road down. No road down, as I look, one or you came as a road down. So it just the be. You understand, my people? Me love them, very respected. They come and carry up, I love one, I love me, and love everybody. They do you, they go. Mammy, people there, you will not be a very respected. Or I call mama, our gazi mama. We respect ourselves. The Greek people, you go, when you go say you both, we have my praise, but that's how I live my life. Eh? Oh, better or what they live no by car by a home, me did it, Baba, the way no by car, no, ya behave. Me, you'll be like as I don't pray you sick, no be a man who come here to him, all those the small symptoms. I'm sorry if I use a me did this, I'm going to go home, because I wish one of my home. Small the symptoms. Where they make person they behave like a small picking. That kind of symptoms they come at the age of 55, 65 years, 65, 68, you know, to 70 years. All those the symptoms, that is what I'm trying to mean. I don't mean to say where to whom no. You understand? Good morning, my darling John. We're talking at home that the symptoms now they talk. You don't get all those the symptoms. You never reach that part. You are still a young lady. You are not a day. You are a young lady. Or the man say you fat, you get body. That one are your station. That has nothing to do with your age. That one not come be saying that because you can't fight up by if I can't see you, so they will lamu. Boy, see a baby on it. Boy, see it. Now, fatness that the thing no person will senior person. No. Now, the kind of character, the way you talk, your maturity, it matters a lot. Your maturity matters a lot. The way you approach people matters a lot in the public domain. I'm telling you, your maturity, the way you talk, the way you behave. You understand? When I'm your man, for example, we are, or my wife can't with Sagani. You got now just all those cats here, they understand. Especially when we're telling normally, as a normal level. You go me to work on the respect of the call mommy. I give a quick carry, I tell you no better, no better. You understand? Do what I say no why a yoteje or what come on to no why use that brain in my people wanna not get around. That's what they be before. If small picking no greet no why, you know why go greet small picking. Okay? That one no problem. No matter where we down with money. But take no about the way we down. It can be a kind of I give that condition. Work at you none your cat in on CMRE. At the end of the day, when you come to that one say you want follow person do saga say you know it's other person may not call insult your mama. Now he cause sort of between me and you where you call the insult my enemy. He said that one join. He got to say, that one join. So you know say na true she talk. The way you test your bike can finish Emma la go. On why are you one day? The dad dog yeah, you understand? You talk and finish now, you not finish for them. You call the food, they all die you can say okay, no problem. When I wear as you see her you go meet her. Mama, wait till they love at 12 or call mama. I don't know say you there here. I see mama, oh, mama for real. Mama beg anyhow. Or see you not banana. Man, I my leg, but we live in a very small world. Yeah, we're going to or beg mama is a Facebook, no mama now. If you know, she will be Facebook. As even we are puyeni, whether you family time we are coming anywhere, when we can 20, mama will not be Facebook. I did sorry for that. I bet you see, it's not my enemy or where worry. He go sit tell you instantly say, because we are curse your mama. I this very, very sorry for our mama now, our EJ. Now she born all of us. Safi. This matter I not reach like 10 minutes. Hakai for me. Zai no. Hakai for me. I don't see mama for you. Mama, you buy me something. Wait till I want your husband or make her buy you something. Finish. If you not buy car, then any I talk by car, I talk lave not be say still come out for a man to make bad thing for now. When I mean you when you give me money, in case I work I go on social media because now social media friend now na be. Yes. Na so it be. Ije when you shake boni metaba. The money we don't collect for Ije we shop mommy shakebo is 80 euro. 80 euro. Oh na ija me. Ige money 80. Oshekebo mama, where they Gemini the toss where they Deutschland. Yes, if I not talk and say you don't dash me and mama boy money, una go yera. Oma we say ni me to be mo kado tai, me say gbe we kado tai ne, me to be me mo kawa tai because of my so when away away. Understand? And you have a again yakina we give away. Owe mama ye we give away o amo iwoma. Owe ni mu abe me manu amuna. Ikele tele ya ya me manu amuna. Egede ye kina aga kokko. Oyi ga kokko ni daje ni. Ije kina she okoko me na be she okoko na be je okoko be yaga. Na be mani gwa be ye baby too few people ni be ye very agi ma be ya, you know, I can't share for all those I can't even share for my tenant self. That time. The chick egbe mama egbe ye ki dash me. Now my cousin daughter now use a dig for. I can't tell her say make it go carry. You understand? Because that year, my daughter said chicken, where? My daughter get where they treat chicken that time. He said chicken that time, and my daughter had now buy many chicken that year. You understand? Now my cousin, not be my cousin, which is the one where my papa senior for Viera, Peking, Ovier, which is my cousin Peking. Whether or not this I go call her, no. My boy buy a cousin Ovier. Now I use that chicken to do gift for. I say, me she go carry for Christmas. Okay, you may have to give me Ghanaian. You get why I blessing them, and why I blessing. Or not what the for river. You get 1 year like that also. They will not say you. You get a blessing one. You know a blessing one. Mommy Rosa also. A Christmas now be 2020 now say 2023. All year, granite all year with a red all year with a 1 eye target. I don't know what you can put again. Maybe we not say me whether I do me my give Yes, Mommy Rosa, he can still use and do gifts for me. Only you know when we yamu. Because a gift in a moment, now we know ya Igiri, my pikin no even touch a cotton and say the rest. Now we gift him on a keep it. Maybe you boy a kind and I can make one on a wemu. I target in a say. A gun the year target in the gift him, me, ya see. Gun, na gun use anteso. Now use anteso. You know? Oma women no matter appreciate tata. Umari ma we umaido yagbo can never hold those things. You know? I beg, a video now why so why go behave anyway. But bitches of Baika, you person and I just can't talk to. The thing as this get humiliate you too much. He pay me, decide way for pay me because say you day our the day classroom, our the day group. I beg, bitches of Baika or grape yourself. You never old reach that level where you could guess in the day symptoms. I beg. Rebrand your brand. Rebrand them. Learn how to behave as a mature woman. Not be where you hear say that they do saga umi and badia. Where they do saga umi and badia ruwe. Where they do saga umi and badia. A saga the etu we mote we umi and badia. Where they do saga winere. Uyalili dado. You don't have personal matter with anybody. Majority of them is just you want to come and do saga. I tell you where you do you way. I tell you where you do you way. That is the reason I say. Or when I made 2 person at home in live video now, you go your affected me, I said to my way. Even they jealous in me, I said to and for example, Banny Wabeg, or say again, you're not Korea to make a friend. You know, could be man by your friendship here, or my concerning a friendship in the Guyaki won't pay me, I come below. Now let me do not carry bed anybody follow body. Or no said, and I'm my mere way, my gui never. I mean, with the door, our friend, our sister, and I would do one. You understand? Now me with her. Now they do our thing. What would they do? We not put another person journal our war. Or we go away make a friend. Oh yeah, we go away make a friend. You will tafia your own back concerning me. They told him, "Mami nyeni." Iwa ba o ma be tafia jo. Igualo money day. Money day, I don't need it. I don't need it. I just want me and my friend. They just they can't me because they told me I will see those silver and give you a call. Maybe need you to and set in wedding. Money there at all. If I know they useful no way just so that one need here. I build a friendship, even I build a rock, and they build a friendship. So people don't know how to do friendship. They just say friendship. You be my friend. You be my friend. They just say you be my friend. You be my friend. Now something where they take the cleaner or in a yak on this sorry if I don't know. You build a friend for future because you don't know. Hey, now my mama question I build a friendship. Yazagi you talk. You may need that person in somehow. One day don't want to down. You build a friend. On your say make a woman go there now. No na me go na ose me wo me go o na ose me ababoa because nene na o ga me back way me akedi me na me gbe back way good morning my darling person. You understand? That is how I made my friend. Why beg you learn no one I see egbe no one o we all those things. You understand? They see and I say my brother wife. Yeah, my brother wife not be social media we know. My brother wife na my brother wife. Anything where they do for social media no dey concern me. But we o ma concern me. When no one tell me can I wish a guy see Yahweh or get your macame officer Oji. They're talking when everybody is a Facebook where I can let contact you. You can't have no Yahweh contact or there. You might understand. Or because that my brother wife I can't control or I will video for the war 1 hour content or live video. Mobile live video. What would wasted there in a bar or to Taiwan in it. If any officer or wajini, you be part of your control. All I respect in it, baby. The way me with my brother wife they play, you go the say na my old sister and she be. Wow, what tene? No, all the old family ya my boy puse. My boy continue na. In fact, I will be a ketty me rock but no time where mommy make grudges error because why go man no cool making one no happy making. Always and all the time. Mommy with you, you're that for me, you're that for me, you're that for me. That's all of them be because even they know one. Why did not even make him? Maybe a yapa will make copy for. You might make a yappy lady for. And I am begging the yago won't tell you, I live with little window ya review. You are what you come a kind. And Moniakiano. Who could call you Haggard when you get it in no see? No, the idea of a family might you are welcome or when you are as a castle, you are welcome to our family. Who go that from where you are, or go that from where you are, what you concerning me, no, you or your home. Oh, my coming. You understand? So, I just got a beg you, I will go. Maybe they respect you well, more loud, whatever you can be a catch your head, Emma, as I tell you so now, you feel not like Cambo, but all those videos where I do, pick the one we get sense for his side. May you use and take brand yourself. Anybody where you without don't do saga, if you see her for public, no go greet them again. May they not come slap you. Or near do two a shetosh or a tear gas. Yeah, they do two in your way. You understand? You understand? You see that moment where you go grief for party, where you use material, where you use a fish, where you can use fish to chop your lips. Now so I get the discipline. All those I get they not they take. Yeah, having nosophobia, they don't take it. You don't talk to them in the public domain anyhow. You do a lady quick one. You like it. Yeah, why you be a review? You see, he really give out to you the way they want that say you day your day. Day your day say no be your mate. You know, be your class, you know, the social media Italo na the talon, you know, journal na de. You see, now so responsible you get the discipline person will not get respect. You understand? But that one, as it just happened that time, I know say you be one go to judgeability. Judgeability or we feel because a person whatever you make it by it of a true one. No what no ya bete ya go ketiri ya una etebe true one. On na wa few no any very woto. Ah no, madali ade. Ya get video make it ya wo na. Me. Any matter why you or why je. Ah, no. Anybody no Jackie wanna supported that artist where or mommy. Where did your boy if you wanna with Paka Bob? Was a Paka. I don't talk my own. You understand? I don't talk my own. I talk my own Paka. No be say I did judge you. I talk my own, it gets yet to get to Mutan or Wariana Wariari or Benoman baby life video now. You understand the kids yet I demand apology that ye, I shall no muya, but get to boy, I drop a year you pass out on I tell me to look at it, BJ. The cat yasu with DJ, where my pen on my say, why, no, or you ever na ya or bije keti bije anyhow. So that kind of person, I'm not to bomb on bije no be and not chebo nije no be. I beg you, I don't do. You can't always have what we go one weapon or no. I give Bob a bonus or what ye bon, who what is your bije, who what was superior. After all, he know ya be more done because he gets it said at a wap yawa bewa. Anybody man, why they want to work with you 5 years seriously. So now so it be materially amazing people again. So I can't bear not the carry disgrace they give EDD. I use God to beg you. Not the disgrace EDD with the community association. You understand? Because you not be my own. We all see me. Never. It's a matter of when on arena you want you na so Facebook or not the disgrace if you time no je but it our saga better our saga me ye bugo ga we no ba no do nyanyo do to if you we gbenu ga atalo we dey o je we sunu wa atalo ge you we matalo ma bi no ya so ma bi no ya de utalo ge ya ju we na eri ono na ji ara so tare premi we ka ye anyway you understand eri eri we ka wa ye eri we very small eri ro momo we eri we ji. So you can't do done in your done who got talog and we must say you matter me for that's the reason. You do you not do ya saga or whatever. No, I don't live my life like that. I see her for Facebook, I can't talk put the way that's morgan. That nonsensical, idiotica, ojeke as it taught to you, not good at all. You say, Mama Susie, our person with no get sense go take fee pick sense. Only if I we met me, only me understand the whole way. Me might they understand that or whether they or whether they come to e-boss, he get many one when they come to e-boss, he will give the advice. Or by coming we do now we show the Arabic advice and do the advice Irenia. Or no we what do no was no republic na. Even we advice na. The la video na we una ne do hule man we really advice na we mete wo na wa be me nwa. Even we the advice na na be ka we una we say this sort le man see as and this sort. That means why we all even have me with the Satan 10% you be you. I understand ever. Me take care of Bob, me take care of Bob, maybe yet expecting no one. Anybody take care, that is one thing about me. I was saying, baby, only. I beg you, if you know say you don't saga me, no concern you. Me and you don't already saga me, we don't do saga. If we see body for any party, day your day, oh, no come meet me, oh, no come meet me. I no go come even meet you. Just day where you day, maybe me borrow that they will give me. Any I beg a video now, one man here. I beg the video ni. I go tell them, but they go tell them say no. This is a very rigmarophobia. I did it. But they go tell them bless it video. The why you better you did it. The day will be a bit of oh, where you are no it did it. When you got in on ya, when they catch you, when you give any old to my way, they do like small picking, be one my darling. I not just understand. Or by come I buy here my video only no one symptoms say the she never old reach like that, eh? Or by car age or you buy car don't reach 50, I agree. Maybe another car 51, 52. Age I say now our age go be oh. When I not look and say because he come fat, your bike can don't old like that. Now lie oh. I can never reach 55. Not be me born, but I know say or might say 55 years. You understand? He never reach. If you just take a calculator, now the same year, now all of us will be our group. Now all of us will be. You understand? Now the same group, the same age, from 50 to 55, from 50 to 53, 52, 55, 56. If you did 55 years, you see person who did 53 years, not what way. All while not respecting, if not 3 years, I am more too. You understand? And when I tell you the lesson, when maybe I when I very respect you, no, I very respecting me. You know, I get my mamas. We are the respect. I know you, I don't know you. I see you for face, I don't see you for face. So, if I want respect you, I will respect you life because, especially, you never hurt me. You they respect yourself. If you they do anything where you they do your whole thing. That one don't concern me. I the respect person with the respect yourself. That one one thing about me. But only way if you not the respect yourself on your back. On your baggy man way. Now every time person will contact yourself by coming you respect yourself. You know good there. When if you know what that is the kind of character when you exhibit, All those character now where me abawe me like as the way oye kiate tortura. I do tortura to neglect my darling, neglect egbe, ogele dame, or neglect egbe, or fe truth or not a boma when I tell you nave to egbe, not a settle or mate demi, don't ya. We no more beijing. Because we can't compare to that compared to a character, a dubious character, the kids. The kids is beating the Kedija Joseph. You understand? Get the market can see for no reason. We are the omo when I get on more money, body, or money swag, word on my card. Any money to Pomona Fiji and a bit when down. I cannot accommodate that. I don't feel race and make me yet to Pomoni Bijeme and your mobile misunderstanding that one I confirm. You understand? I get to Pomu Bijen or Boy, say because oh go give where me part. I don't understand. Saga me no ye Boba. Saga me no. You know, I don't know, maybe because I did Facebook now they talk like this, so me on no vessel. You understand? It's not about getting soon that you talk for my matter. Any year when you lie, you take to put you no concern me. Oh my God, I mean, no, you're my better. As you want to be your wow. You got to no tago the apple with the matter when you where block you. I go block you. You get many presenters. I know the city I video. I don't care. Anything no home when water would do. You want to know the big ball of Fiji. I know they listen. Don't be safe. I say me I come to my own saga where or when me saga where by Fakaka, you know, send a person I different to you. Or see a body the more saga me mama your pa. Neti go with this saga. Amami won't parry like I'm when I say you must see one particular thing. Now I do enya. They go with saga. I mean your parry like I do enya with TikTok or not do enya with Facebook. When again with saga you know what to travel. But when I say no, I don't want. You understand? I say me go marry you be saga. I do have you to Allah lu. I do ati eke, I do awona, I do away a gang up, I do TP. All those maybe I was saga the middle TP na ya will saga have never. In my way there. Ni do gwale man odo de ba do we saga we kon Germany na mo kon gada do this one. E ba me you do ke gada do. If you pay na we mo kon Germany mo gada do donation for somebody. Mo gada do better thing. Mo gada bless person. Mo God that do better, mo God that talk about that they do document, get nice job, live a better life, do something successful. Only that one. Saga call social media. Where are you here? Where you tell seven what I send lawa wedia. Amana ye saga na do me pipi ani lawa. Amen. Ya we saga ya talk over ne pa. This one where I talk yours nana. If you like, you come carry and call tomorrow. Or by can you call the saga me? If I say I want to saga you, I will come. A day and a day that will be. I'll constantly give out to you. You understand? But this one, I mean, I don't saga you. You can't use my video to reply me say, not be so, not talk, not concern me. Why not go concern me? Or say bonity. Not talk and say not concern me. Because now when you they interfere, they put any time they talk for my matter, I not can carry invitation. Me I can invite you. No. Don't tell me that. It's just that I'm a very, very nice person. I'm a very truthful person. If I want to talk for matter, I go talk the truth. You to meet you go meet Ojeka may you greet her before, not be batting before. Or you not do as a mature person. A mature person can't wait me. I said 2 minutes, clear any. Maybe a year now. Oh my when you be right. Oh go out take a my way, but you man go and what do I review? Now you concern this I can't concern. Now concern if you can't have one say Becca if you can. You pieka no be then one the man be no say we ba boga like me or can to oga go hori yo. Especially about send the social media need respect in no say. God forbid party. E ma wow. O no say me ba go le mega stage because it's about women. It's stay your woman. Woman atie me. Imana atie wo no atie me. Here na go me mo him by pay my people. I just go buy one list. A listening, I won't remember what social media me got the social media de dem agbere wa gbere ni ya wajo or see any. I won't remember no I will video na we video can e dey to reply. Una we video me imana dey to go we go why we ti wa declare we ni we ba wo so me igbe you list that just because me ti reply o me awa me ti be do when it one na ko me never because o me o gan ya gbaje be pin ayo yan ekun iyo me ye ti aye mi o me ya ho egbe God forbid bad thing. If not say now we do why you work by car, we no man can't buy car, you off pay the live video them namanati or to point your better review, you everybody advice no maybe the monta yari advice no be your hand. Ekwa clear issue we no. Many no why ya clear issue. Ono say na woman symptoms de dine. Ekwa clear issue. You clear. You can't be clear matter. As you see, I can't be me yaje. O mana hune de yes definitely yes. Keta kamu go yes o bata. Yes ne. O when the government declare anywhere. Rere o me don share be mo no bi enwe ge kiangeli agese na egele gese de koso pa presenter me me no mogu ya gbobi e o mogu no ya gbobi e no ware e Ministry of Justice we Bruce 7 and wagwan you pa ijo mo pa de me no abuse e o ma no set abuse obi e na regional like gbobi e nwe go ma be de rere magba so I give apology to am nijo ba bo ga lawo gbe no mo jo ya gbasa wo po we my apologize na be o we de here abu e de no re 70 years no ya abuse o my apology do ne Abuheni, we are going to apology to Nijwe be Facebook. Couldn't Nijwe work with here? I beg my people. Otilo, I want go brush me, I go bath. No fortunate with any echo to Agare. There be video, maybe me a echo with the other YouTube. We are with me, Udoni. Thank you all so much, my darling, amazing people. I say my people, they many for social media. Ever you can hear book be. Oh, where when I went to Moyamu Boy, I read you before. Understand? So I did now, so it did be. Or I saw why maybe on Amazon, when my video boy, when my accident be here. Or I saw now, I maybe need you to Pongwane. I don't win a rebuy, go for people. Now I don't have my video boy, I don't wish I come out to win a rebuy. May if I could social media major. Iman again, I'm big over me back your clothes. I might where I make up with Facebook. I don't have your clothes. Somebody with the David to make your man and my people why very young. I forget about flitter, forget about the makeup. While you cover and all day, and my people. A death for the 2 or 4. You cannot change nature. Oh God. Bye, sweetie. Bye, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you all so much. And God will bless all of you now. I love you guys. Let us learn how to behave mature. It's very, very important. My people, let us go to market and buy our self-discipline. You cannot buy it in the market. It's just that you have to train yourself, discipline yourself, so that people will respect you. That's just all. Okay? Now that must be in Spanish. I thank you all so much. I love you guys. Bye. Good morning, everyone. Are you set to go? Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing? kẹ̀kẹ́, ẹ̀rí mi bọ̀ yàtọ̀ lè gbé o. Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. That depends on your location. Where you are listening from is your one and only, the big one, Miss Susie One International. How are you guys doing? Music first, and music is life. Music give a lot of energy. If you be person who love music, you know, sit and think. If you be person who love music, you will always full of joy, happiness in your life. Okay, I'm a music fan. You guys know. I'm music with video man, I play music and music. Or my spirit in the music, you know, I give more energy, more strength, more happiness, more joy. You get and the peace into your home. We are playing music, you understand. So especially this music, the reason I like to play this track always and all the time, is a prayer dedicated to whosoever that is planning evil, anything against us, emotionally be back to sender. Mama gain on one mama, mama gain on Maria, my winner, mama gain on Mamma Magnolia. It can know what the age or there was no there you because the regional everybody is suspects. Are you getting me? That is the most reason I love this music. Please, if you are hearing me right, yes. Who not like this music? Now be say, "Wo we do umami no ta home chime." When we see the lava, so now we one of them no mubota. It will explain him who way of but that means you must live long. That with long life and prosperity, or way of Biranorik Pepe. A resu wuji mapo. Tie denosalo boa high in one of me. Cause why so? Wamopo head to very okay. Simiri, I want to be na a mupoki magi. Understand it? I think we'll get a so no. Or women in my tosse. Or why you bogi na amo moji ma must have my pere ovi man. Me. Uma we do TV. Let me explain this music for you. Or what's this wuji mapo, or tesu wuji mapo, or we rise wuji mapo, we yes wuji mapo. Oga mini was say no we live na or say or te no we live na me go who any man we rise. Yes to no back me money oga. Or where is wuji mapo? The mabe we mo where is wuji mapo? You get? Or women now wear their key, I beg you one. Now wait till you set person, the way person buy for you. Now you go see buy for that person. Who met it your my way, la whatever one day, like dinyari at the end of the day. Or don't move no matter kill the women, no more. But you get your that's not really a banana live room where now good buffet or whoever and yella my white it's all similar, okay? So this music, wherever I'm playing it, if you're a Benin person, always type amen and amen. That is the reason I'm playing it, not because of the I beg you or not because the music particularly I love it because it's a message, a prayer to every one of us. Not so this morning, as you can see, sometimes I know they come like this, but if I come out like this, you will know that I'm home. Okay, that is the reason I am doing video early this morning. I know say I not be away by this time. I'm supposed to be at my job. But I'm home. I didn't work today. So before we start, order for your pretty J Snow White. If you don't want to find you take Mama Lagos. Those of you now will get all those sunburn, I beg. If you get sunburn for face, sunburn not me say because you dey bleach you. No. Sunburn not me say because of say you dey use this thing, but only what I will advise. If you want to take sunburn, make it go out of your face. Suffering use very soft cream. Take. If you use something like all those things where they say for Africa shop, all those calamar remover, cleansing cleansing lotion. I do this off against spirits. Okay, please, if you guys are hearing me right, yes, don't ever use that to clean your face. Don't use that to clean your face. So all those one where they be like spirit, whether they buy for Africa shop, where they whether they buy for Nigeria, anything Africa, whatever, where they do paka, all those one where they bite, where they smell like a spirit or Dito or Gamali, where they'll come mix them with water. One or not they use them, I beg. I prefer just go to supermarket. Even though now this tissue paper where they clean baby nyash if you poo. Now that one you buy see alcohol, which is sensitive one will not get alcohol. Now they use. You understand? I don't have one particular thing where they use for my face. Now you be maybe Africa shopping. All those Gamali, Calamar lotion, spiritual grease, I have never used it in my face. I know they use them. So people ask me, Mama Susie, what did they do? Then when I come, they get old now, they get all those old age people sometimes. Now I go call her whether na many positons. I don't know whether I don't even know what I'm going to call it. You understand? But do you know that when I was young, I don't have chitele people and I like people swear way. Especially the one we go come give the spot for one guy. I'll just the like her, but I don't get. If I tell now, say I be specialist, if you say make I remove pimples for your face. You got where people say for me, or me I didn't like I don't know. Are you getting me? Maybe I don't want those calamar lotion, all those men what here, Chrissy, enemy, clean. All those one where they be like chemical, where they clean face, I beg. If you are using it for your face, that means you are damaging your skin, especially for your face, because face and skin is very sensitive. You understand? Very, 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 very sensitive. I know they use them. Even though like this makeup where I make also, I think I can use my foundation for 2-3 years. You understand? I don't use filler. I don't even know what is called filler. I just put powder. I can use one powder for 6-7 years. I don't know whether powder they expire yourself. Because now small they put on. You understand? Now small, now they put on. So, and if I put on, you know, go see all those, whether they call cover concealer. I can't buy years ago. When I started to get swelling of my eye, I think the left one, because I did sleep put for my eye, can't get swallow. I can't say make a buy. My people, the day we are go do live screen, I go show you that day. Or my cover concealer, and you go there, almost 40, whether not 30, almost 40 euro, be 40 something euro, they buy for mark. Imagine 7 at one. Or why you women for 90 big, they know that in the other, but I 7 years in the matter expire my way. Imagine say you go low. Are you getting me, my people? Please, all those other things, I've never used it for my face. I prefer to use all those cleaning, whether they buy for lady, whether now some setting or €1 some cent, or those tissue whether they clean yash. Okay, because we always they carry those wiper, baby wiper, whether they clean yash. Sensitive one will not get alcohol. I can use it in my face to clean my makeup. Apart from say my makeup, I know they clean face like that. I don't get gongo for face. I don't get sunburn. Yeah, especially if they go Nigeria now, they buy boy. Cause they buy whatever those sunburn, whatever. I know they buy yet. Yeah, we you know they do me for body one kind. I know they since they took it, they convenience me for body. I know they use them. If I go Nigeria, I cannot they get sunburn. Only to where they observe say I go black because when I know say if I go Nigeria, they really destroy where. Are you getting me? So that is it. But if you're a kind of person that used to have sunburn, not because you are bleaching, not because of that, no. Not they put strong cream again for your face. You can just go and buy baby lotion. Those are what they small baby, they rub their body, those cream, very stubborn or cocoa, whatever. They do a small. If not the time where they see nif now, and if you give one have a face, you don't over here, you're 20 over clean, but I give me I will know in my and I clean face. If that time be like small lotion liquid or you 20 but so that is it. And the stretch mark or mommy get or man no bleach or a stretch mark. No, now people will get loose muscle. Now they get stretch mark, loose muscle. Now they get them. You know me say you they bleach. Now you they get them. I don't bleach. I have stretch mark. Even people wear black. Even my own husband will be Oyibo. He gets stretch mark. Ebo me stretch mark. Or say if I see some people they talk and say, "Oh man, bleach or not stretch mark." I go just they look now. Stretch mark now loose muscle, especially if you don't hard body. If you the hard body, sometimes your muscle is too light. You go the tear. Now me look say the or maybe I don't know. Maybe if you can't use screen, maybe you can't pronounce and where. All those blah blah people women know say get stretch mark. In many where. Oyibo get stretch mark. My Oyibo get small for hand. He get. So me I don't see apart from saying that my Oyibo. I don't see her for some only say Oyibo know the pronoun. But if you look at where you know say yes na mozu. If you even write for Google self, they know if you black. If you write and say what is the cause of stretch mark, they know that and say na bleaching cream. Because if the bleaching cream, we not the bleach, why they call the get stretch mark? But some people will say na bleaching. Anyway, it's a part of tasting anyway. So now it be that one. You they use something where they stuff where they rub your face so that it can make you smooth and beautiful. Then before we start, please, so on the 9th January, okay, 3 months from now, Mama Uwala marriage. This one now be the list. You still get her target, okay, please. If you want the art target, she have the one art target. It's just that I cannot post everything in my page here. I cannot put everything. I can put that is we only put this list. This one with the airtime now 70,000 naira. With the airtime, okay. I beg, if you never buy, me will buy. May you take support. Even though you did Nigeria at that time or you not did Nigeria at that time, follow and buy. May you still use and take support. And you can wear it to other party if you are going to any other party where you did go. It no matter. Me, I don't go collect my own. My husband, mama, and I buy them for me. Okay? So that is it. Order for your pretty J Snow White. And they also order for your Hollandaise from me. This one is called Ipakpehui, back of a. Now one alima, what they call it? Ipakpehui. I don't know what they call her for that alima. I don't know what they call her for English. But if they want to call this cloth for shop, you say back of fish. But normally it's not a back of fish. Ipakpehui is an alima. It's very sweet. Okay. Una see what I put for here. My lovely people. Una see what I put for here. So this the way they like whether na purple cloth. Where now white be there center so where it can be like say milk con pass am. Okay? Now I be waiting month. I'll still do one for TikTok, but I just want to do this morning here. Please help me to share this video. I know a lot of people is going to work by this time. Una, when not they wash una hara, wanek pakara. Wa onya message nana. I don't know. How come a woman you will say you will not wash your ahara? Una way not the pakara. Now they call those one. But some men will not understand. They'll say, "I don't fashion me. Not come give me this too." Now my name I see her from Facebook when one boy they shout, say you carry from from Benin to Lagos, come see a friend. I don't know where to go stars, whether my girlfriend will come put her for a friend do. I don't know. He said the girl can't see somebody. At the end of the day, he can't search the girl bag. He says see what the person break on. All the old pathways they that girl bag. All of them, I saw all of the big man like this. Okay? So all those things were there, yes. So I don't know why some young girls where they see now not be all those. If you see all those our setup for let's say 45, 50, 50 something, or let's say 43. Good morning, sweetie. Good morning, my darling Mercy. How you doing, my love? How are the children? If you see the way not they wash their ekpekus, you go know say it's just a dirty natural because me maybe make an act with them. You understand? On a normal level, you go make woman they wash it ekpekus. Any person will tell you say make you don't wash your ekpekus, I beg. He want to drive you away from your boyfriend. It can be some people know this can be the cost where somehow will not they like dirtiness. You go just see say this can't day you are he take a good boy, good man to tell you say I beg they wash. Some men, they not they talk. They not tell you say you wash your pickles. They not they talk. They not they talk. Why be who yak panowa your boy a kato yak away? Oh, we are you lelebe. You go just from piang. You not go say I'm again. Are you getting me? You're welcome, my darling. Oh, why you wear lelebe? Eh, where ya ota mo ho where umaku wegbe. Not be all men. Some men not they talk. You know they talk. So I just screenshot her. Normally in a video, I screenshot her because I just want to use it to do live video. You understand? Because this one is also part of our gossiphobia class. You cannot be enjoying AK at the end of the day. You are not clean. So I make away some boy. If they don't do the gay, they will go here one mufua. If that's what I'm going to make be told for the no piao. But if you walking a cacaboso, if that's why you this modern life in my year. If they put their part, you still see his son. You'll see her for their part. Some men still they like that. They feel say they are not they fasted your wishes where okay son or what is son. I don't understand. The cat doctor where they lecture on where tell una say me could not they wash speckles. The cat plan the one that they list it to that cat say me could not wash speckles. I don't know. Me, they'll say some go say wash outside, don't wash inside. Because that's where they come out for woman, but the way woman take they discharge. That's they come from where we be. Normally, that it gets your order. If you don't know, no. That it gets your order. You understand? That it gets your order. You don't wash up. Ma can't put bola for inside your pickles. That room, it go change. You almost to Aguia. Almost to Fiare. And what about when I see it? I don't know the person when they tell you now, say, I say, they will say, whether or not their doctor tell them say they don't wash his body. Doctor not tell us say we will not wash. Doctor said if you want to wash your body, do it with water. Do it with water. Don't do it with others eating whatever. Don't do it because of the perfume. Because the perfume can have hydro whatever what they take to a chemical. Make it not come give you infection, make it not come damage you for a side body. You know, so everybody body not be the same. And also, doctor never said you shouldn't wash inside your body. I don't know where you for go that one. I don't know the kind of school going for learn that one. Me ask my old doctor here, Ibo. He tell me say wash your body. Say they wash your body with a normal water. Even I'm here, Bubakare, a dakieso. I'm here, Bakarepo. A boggy discharge say, but he has big. David go and back when no joke. When I be mere dark, you know, big one. If you have a mere no big one. When I'm a no neat, if you have a mere dark, you know, be neat. It can be okay, it can be okay. A black is work, but I want to be okay. What's a leopard that way? A black is work, but I will be a young Fiaro Bara. Oh, Fiaro go. Aqua. It's here, I said. A take care, I said. A Tony son, I said. You know? He said, why? Ikoniro, so, yes, I bebe. O tate wen, yakbe. Yaye fiete. We akbe. Why you leave your people say you know go wash them? Where you was squad. Afafa, na afafa, and a salopana jueni. Huna, look at what you pull afafa and you pull your upe. Uga pene, udo same, udio bo. Udio bojo who feel bojo boy, who will make there or clean. If Beruma Yadia, I made you well, boy, ya when all were clean. Score to a code of bojo that middle frigani. Where me and a car I gave any know again the fishness in here, no, and the fishness in the pure. When I get, or Jana Swaba. Or no, if you said better, is very on in here, but most say, Tama maybe no more poyak. You see. I wish you make him have a selective you very well because me like him when very meje me that is even in women custom me at all. I don't like anything that have to do with dirtiness. I don't like it. Do you understand? I perceive a young girl. You want to go see your boyfriend from Benin to Lagos. You carry this campaign follow body. Then they tie a party. Why did the girl be follow? Oh yeah, tawa. When I get party, they tasa Yahweh a movie will ha. How can a young girl why you dress? A part a young girl, your hair dress. If you have a depot where it's very on in the way, or maybe part of it, the name of Sebus. I give like Balaba party now. Again, there, again, ya Kubugo, and I have a big party. You don't wear this kind of party again anymore. Me ya like ebo ne boya je ebo na your first class, ebo na your class by class. E ebo ya je pants. I don't know why some of you guys, a young girl for that matter, waga ke pants e giage. Huh? Waga ke pants e giage. It's very, very bad. This one is a disgrace to womenhood. No. I can a young girl somewhere party here. I can what's even yana. What's we? It definitely video it there, and I be just shorter like this. So in many way, Paco. I see for somebody page now. I say now screenshotter. The person where they use after they do content, they talk say why now? What is why now? Let's be sincere. If you don't carry this car park now, go do IKEA. You they go your boyfriend place. You want go do IKEA. And I'm here go see lots of tall in the you might understand. And I'm here go fear you sell a and then I hear ya miopia. I got hear ya miopia. Our VM so tall, or home I knew, they make sure they are clean. A sleep person where you quick back, I go where my bed is to go back for me a day, and the way I am milk banny, a sleep person, Uriero bear. Oh, you musi. You must imagine, I don't know the kind of laughing he wants to live. Imagine here, where I am milk bear, where if they be dressed in another day, or a dress where you are, my dear, where you are, wagivo, no, where he's your yeah? A bomb already know if you come manager. Emma, a boy did when a body now video, a boy did video any. I wear my brother why now? What is why? Why? You can record it, yes. Yes. Okay, we picture it by or not yama. Oh, you may get those in the wise and make me with a weapon. A pack will work pay. White pay a pack will wear never ask a sick or what a young my wife by pay my white pay. Boy, we a pack will not have a weapon or book bay, ever book bay a weapon. Let me say maximum 8. Don't say it on. Let's say 8 maximum or 10. A pack will not do a 10 I set it there. They let's just put it like there are 20 plates. Let's say 10 people live in the house. Let's say each person use 2 plates. Altogether 20 plates. A 20 plate a back but we need to set it there. They will not wash. They will keep it there. Why you potty be ready? Easier way on already wow. Why you potty? Why you be ready? Once you be ready, who want me potty room where you wash and busy? Who can sammy from who you any? Where about kaka? Who walk your go so you or ma kaka? Who you eh? Who I can't do sammy you potty in? They gas one on my gas in it, like a glass in it. No koto ton de guy glass in it.
It's more thing at the moment when Mommy Susie sees it, they ask Mommy B say, why you go settle with Kate Odie? Una know say they post that video yesterday. I beg make una not forget to subscribe.